Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Keeping my life in order. Your life, your journey, your lifestyle that fits for you. Thank you guys so much for coming back to watch another one of my cleaning videos. And today, you guys, we're going to be cleaning my kitchen and my living room area. And stay tuned for an upcoming video of my fall decorate with me. You guys are going to absolutely love my decor for this fall 2021 season. So without further ado, you guys, let's go ahead and get started with the video.
Teach my soul to sing your song, even when my eyes can't see. When I can't seem to carry on, I know your hand is guiding me. I know your hand is guiding me. Through the valley I may walk, but you are all I'll ever need. Gave your life to take my fall, so in the storm I will have peace. So come the storm, I'll still believe. And when it seems I'm at the end, and I don't know what I believe, through the cloud I see your hand, reaching down to guide me. You're always reaching down to guide me, 'cause I am yours and I am free.
You guys, I am so in love with my Swifter jet, you guys. I absolutely love it. Forget the mop. I don't want the mop. I want this right here. You guys, make sure you go and find one of these. They're perfect for if you have like ceramic tile floors or if you have hardwood floors. You guys, these are really, really good. It doesn't scratch up your floor or anything like that. I absolutely love it. So comment below and let me know if you have a Swifter jet. I'm probably sure you do, but I absolutely love mine. Just wanted to share that with you guys.
Teach my soul to sing your song, even when my eyes can't see. When I can't seem to carry on, I know your hand is guiding me. I know your hand is guiding me.
Y'all, let me tell you something. If you haven't been to the Dollar Tree lately, you need to go. The Dollar Tree has this new awesome all-purpose cleaner, you guys. I absolutely love it, you guys. It is a great cleaner. They did really, really good. So go to your nearest Dollar Tree and let me know if you guys like the product. I really like the product. It's cleans. It's not sticky. It's just like a really, really nice all-purpose cleaner. I really, really like it. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. The next time you're in your local Dollar Tree, get you that new awesome all-purpose cleaner. I'm telling you, you'll be thanking me later, okay?
And when it seems I'm at the end, and I don't know what I believe, through the cloud I see your hand, reaching down to guide me. You're always reaching down to guide me, 'cause I am yours and I am free. Teach my soul to sing your song, even when my eyes can't see. When I can't seem to carry on, I know your hand is guiding me. I know your hand is guiding me. Through the valley I may walk, but you are all I...
All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed my fall deep clean with me video. So you guys, I will see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned now for the fall decorate with me. Make sure you guys are watching. You're absolutely going to love my decor for the fall 2021 season. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, you guys.